Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm HaydeeK, and on this video I want to talk about this lip treatment that I've been using now for a couple of days. I ordered it online and I was curious to try it. I've tried other lip repair products in the past, but I wasn't really happy with the ones that I've tried in the past. So I figured I'll try it and give my opinions regarding this product. Now this is an Estee Lauder. They call this a lip repair potion, and they advise to use this at night, but we can use it whenever we want to moisturize our lips. Because I was purchasing some other items online and I saw this and I was really curious. I really was interested because it came in a lip gloss tube as opposed to like a little jar where you have to stick your finger in, or a lip balm version. So I really liked that, and so I purchased it and I've been trying it now for a couple of days. And so Estee Lauder, on their website, they claim that this is going to revive, renew, and soften the lips. They also advise to use this lip repair potion at night, but you know, we can use it anytime whenever we feel, want to moisturize and our lips. How I've been using this lip product is at night as part of my nighttime routine, after I finish brushing my teeth, washing my face, moisturizing my face. I go in and moisturize my lips with this as my last step as my nighttime routine. I really have been enjoying this. I have tried other lip repair like nighttime products, and I have to say that this has been really impressive for me. It does look pink here in the tube, but when you take it out, and it has a felt tip applicator, which is also kind of different compared to the Estee Lauder lip glosses, because the Estee Lauder lip glosses have a brush, and this lip repair has a tube like so, and the tube is not too big, not too small, but it doesn't feel like flimsy and cheap. And as you can see, let me swatch, I'm gonna swatch it here. And as you can see, when I put it on my hand, it is transparent. It does not have the, pink color that's on the tube. Now I'm going to apply some on my lips so you guys can see. And my lips are pretty dry as well, so I really needed this. But it's really easy to apply. It has a fragrance to it, but it's not too overpowering. It has, I would say, a signature Estee Lauder type of fragrance to it. This is very bougie, very glamorous. I do feel like I am pampering myself at night when I am applying this on. It does feel thick, but at the same time, it's not heavy. It just feels different compared to regular lip gloss or a lip balm. It's just a little bit more substantial to it, which I really like. And as you can see, I applied it and it does not have like a pinkish color. Maybe a slight, but it's very slight. You barely can see it. I mean, you guys tell me, do you guys see it on the video if you see a little pink tint to it? As far as wearing it at night before going to bed, when I sleep with this on, I tend to be somebody to move around a lot when I sleep. So it is going to rub off on my pillowcase and bed sheets. But when I wake up in the morning, I still feel a little bit of, of the lip product still on my lips. So I was really impressed with that because I've tried so many other lip products, lip repair, nighttime lip repair products, and by the time I wake up in the morning, they're like completely off my lips. So the fact that there's still like a bit of residue of this product, I could still feel it on my lips, that I was really impressed. Now, if you are somebody that does not move around and you tend to like just sleep in one position and not move around as much, you will definitely wake up and have this lip product still on your lips because it's, that thick and that moisturizing. It does do what it claims. It does revive. It does make my lips feel soft. It does moisturize my lips. And moisturizing my lips is really important because, as you guys can see, I have really big lips, and big lips, dry big lips is not a good look. So having my lips moisturizing is really important. And so something like this, I really like it, and it became really impressive for me that, even though I have big lips, I move around in bed, and I wake up in the morning and I still feel a bit of the residue on my lips. Like, yeah, this is good stuff. Now, is it worth it? Because it is pretty pricey. It's $33. Do you need it? Is it life-changing? This is, I would say, this is definitely a luxury product. And with anything luxury, it's not needed. It's just something extra to pamper yourself, to make yourself feel better. And that's basically what I would say this product is. It's not something that, we need. It's like, it's not life or death. This is more of a luxury. This is more of feeling good and just pampering yourself at night and doing a little something extra to with yourself, with your nighttime routine, to make yourself feel special and glamorous before going to bed. And that's what this product does to me. I really like it. I enjoy the experience. The smell is really nice and elegant. It's moisturizing. And for that reason, I say that it is worth the price. It does have that luxury experience to it, and I really enjoy it. And I really like that it comes in a, like lip gloss applicator, as opposed to like a jar where you have to, dig your finger to it. I feel like it's a lot more sanitized. And also an interesting part about this tube is that you can literally, I don't know if you can, I'm going to put it closer to the microphone to see if you guys can hear it. When I close it, I can literally like, I have to apply some extra pressure to like close it, and you can literally hear it like lock close. Like, let me see. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but you can literally hear it snap close. But yeah, I find that to be really interesting, that, just everything is just really nice and glamorous. And for if you want a luxury experience just to pamper yourself with a little something, this is a really nice thing. I highly recommend this. I think this is really nice. This gives the whole luxury experience. And also another thing about Estee Lauder is that they do tend to have sales, especially during the holidays. So if there is any type of sale, you can also get a couple of dollars off of this. That completes my review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.